One of the ways that the NLC has helped us learn what we don't know is that starting the CEO circles. I'm the founder and the executive director of Quantum Leap Farm, so that's kind of an isolating, thing. I don't think there's another founder in our CEO circle, but there are people that have led organizations that are our size. There are people there that have led organizations that are smaller. There are people there that have led much larger organizations, and I've learned so much from their experiences. Meeting other CEOs in organizations that are far different from our own, and some that are very similar too, and developing that support network of people that I can call when I have a question about anything, really. So it's not just the NLC that becomes one of our support mechanisms, but everybody that I meet when I come to a seminar or conference here becomes part of that support group too.